Is that your eyelid?
Wrong. That is.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a different type of video. Well, it's an unboxing video, but I don't know. I haven't even looked up reviews or anything about this month's Boxycharm. So I have no idea what's in it, but I'm going to be blindfolding myself with 2 soccer socks, then putting the makeup on my sister when I have no idea what it is. I'm just going to put it on her and don't say anything. So I'm going to get started. Let me just put this on. Ooh, I did a pretty good job, I think.
You look like a girl. Her eyes are red.
Oh, does it look weird?
No.
Okay. So, this is what's in the box. I don't know, looking. This is a card that says everything. So I'm gonna first feel around for a brush. Okay, and it feels like it did come with brushes. Perfect. Did you touch my face? So, this is probably a beautiful set of brushes.
You feel the wind in here?
There's no wind. So it looks like we got a brush right here. This is what it looks like. Feels like maybe like an eyeshadow brush. This next brush is like maybe like a highlighter brush. And then this last, this could be a foundation blush brush or maybe highlighter blush. Excuse me, I need that one. I don't know. Where'd it go? Okay, so the next thing I got in my box is this. Oh shoot, what is this? I don't know what it is. Am I messing it up?
No.
I can do this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so. What the freak? I have no idea. I have no idea. I have no idea what this is. Oh my god, what is this? Is it makeup? Just tell me if it's makeup or not. Oh, it doesn't matter.
I guess.
It doesn't matter. So, I got a tube here. I don't know what this is. So, let's just wait and see. I got this. So, this is probably eyeliner, I think. And this might be like a primer.
Wrong. That is.
Or something. So there's that. Okay, so next I got, this is something. And this is probably a lipstick.
Wrong. That is.
Or something. No, I don't know. What the freak is this? Oh yeah, sounds like a lipstick.
Wrong. That is.
I just got it on my hand a little bit. I don't know what to do with it now. Okay, and the last thing I feel has to be eyeshadows. Has to be eyeshadows.
Wrong. That is.
Yeah, got some eyeshadows.
Wrong. That is.
So I'm gonna start by applying the eyeshadow.
Wrong. That is.
I'm gonna go with
Wait, let me just see.
What?
Wait,
Okay. I'm gonna go with this one right here.
Can I tell you if you do something wrong or no?
No, don't tell me. Okay. Oh wait, I should use the brush. Is this the... Is that your eyelid?
Wrong. That is.
Okay. I don't know which one I already dipped in.
My eyebrow.
It's a little harder than I thought. Okay, where's your other eye? Did I get anything on it? Lizzie?
Mm-hmm.
Am I putting anything?
You're poking my eye.
Can I just see? Do you think there's anything on there?
Yep, I think this is...
You think so?
Uh-huh.
Here, let me put them in my finger. Wait.
No, I didn't... No, it's...
Okay. No, wait, I got a little bit more of... I think this is the one I used. Wait a second. I feel different shapes in there now that I think about it. So they might be different... Oh, no, that's it. Yeah. Okay, so that was that. Next, I'm going to do her, I think this is,
No, oh my gosh. Please,
what's
no.
your face? Hey!
No.
Look at your face!
No.
Wait, Lizzie!
No,
you signed up for this!
I did not. You made me. No.
I think this is a mask, actually.
Wrong.
That is
So let's just put that aside. Okay, so next is this eyeliner. Let me just. Do you think I did it?
Mm-hmm. I think I'm going for a smoky eye now.
Okay.
All around me are familiar faces.
Okay, so lastly, to finish off this look, we're gonna do the lipstick.
Wrong.
that is
Where are your lips? Am I getting
I
it?
think you got it in my teeth.
Where are your lips at again?
That went in my mouth. Ew.
So, thank you. Wait, no. Oh, wait. So that's all I can feel that I got. So now I'm gonna take a look at my masterpiece.
Eyeshadow, that was highlight.
Ah! I ruined it! You look so pretty! So, as you can see, I did a really good job with her look. Let me just run over the products real fast. So this was actually Naked Cosmetics highlighters. These are very beautiful highlighters, if I do say so myself. I also got these 3 brushes from Crown, beautiful brushes. This definitely was an eyeliner pencil, smoky eye pencil. This was a Cover FX, shimmer veil. Yeah, Lizzie, that wasn't lipstick. Yeah, that wasn't lipstick. Okay. And this was a more, so what I put on her forehead was actually for her lips. Okay. And then, yeah, so that was everything that I got. The Naked Cosmetics highlighter palette was $40. The Cover FX was $28. The Smoky Eye Pencil, $21. The Lip Buffer, $24. And the Trio brush set, $30. And I think I cracked something. But thank you for watching this video. And thank you for watching my unboxing. Make sure to subscribe for more videos. And thank you for watching. Bye.